Welcome to Topgear Tuning. Today, we'll guide you through the process of tuning a vehicle via OBD with Autotuner. Let's dive in. OBD tuning is a method of tuning done via the OBD port. It's very simple. To begin, it's strongly recommended to connect a battery stabilizer to the vehicle's battery, ensuring a constant voltage supply to the ECU. This precaution is crucial, since the ignition needs to remain on for extended periods during this process. We recommend to keep the battery voltage consistently above 12 volts for safest results. Once the stabilizer is in place, connect your Autotuner to both the laptop and the OBD port. If you're having trouble locating the OBD port, visit klavcar.com for accurate diagrams detailing the port's location on any vehicle. After connecting to the OBD port, switch on the ignition. The tuning process is always performed with ignition on, engine off. Next, launch Autotuner. Narrow down to the correct vehicle and select ID vehicle. This step helps confirm that you've selected the correct ECU. If Autotuner displays detected, you're on the right track, and you can proceed to read the data from the ECU. In case the ECU is not detected, Autotuner typically notifies you that it's the incorrect ECU and guides you towards the right one. If it doesn't, your option is to go back and try other ECUs until you find the correct match. Once you've successfully identified the ECU, proceed to read its data to initiate the tuning process. Click the Read button. Save the file to a dedicated folder on your PC, labeled with the car's make, model, and registration number for easy future access. With the data read, it's time to send the file to us for your tuning requests. If you're unsure about uploading the file to our portal, refer to our portal walkthrough video before returning to this guide. Upon receiving your tuned file, click Write, select the appropriate tuning file, and wait for Autotuner to finish. Once complete, congratulations, you have successfully tuned a vehicle. You can now remove the battery stabilizer and take the vehicle for a test drive. Any issues, please contact us via the support system under your upload. Other than that, happy tuning.